What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the all new Urban Armor Gear plasma case for the iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. The plasma case comes in a number of different colors. This one here is their smoky gray, but the entire lineup is a translucent design, so you can have yellow, red, blue, or clear, and all of them have this translucent look. The plasma case is one of my favorite models, particularly because it's one of their slimmer models that they offer. And like most of the cases I reviewed, this is a hybrid style case, so we have a polycarbonate clear back shell with a TPU bezeled border. And one standard feature on all Urban Armor Gear cases are the reinforced corners to protect your phone in case of drops. It is a snap-on style case, so it's very easy to install. I usually go button side first, and it just pops into place. So taking a quick overview of this case, starting off with the top here, you can see we have an excellent amount of top protection with the TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. And for those of you who like to sport tempered glass screen protectors, this case is very tempered glass screen protector friendly, as from my experience with the iPhone X. Moving on to the side, we have covers for the volume rockers, a generous cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch, and on the other side here, another cover for the power button as well. All of them provide a very nice tactile feedback when you press on them. On the bottom of the case, you have 3 individual cutouts for your stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And finally on the back, we have a generous cutout for the dual camera and flash, and the most highlighted feature is that Urban Armor Gear design on the back. Like I mentioned earlier, the plasma case does have a translucent design, in this case a smoky gray. The Urban Armor Gear branding in a brushed stainless steel look. It's kind of cool how part of the case is glossy, mainly these indentations here, and the flat part is all matte. You can see the Apple logo dead center here, as well as this hexagon texture design, which is actually on the inside part of the case. Overall guys, just like last year's model, I'm pretty happy with the new plasma case for the iPhone XS and XS Max. It's a great alternative for those of you who are wanting something a little bit different than an OtterBox case, but still want that military grade drop protection. This case is comparable to OtterBox's Symmetry line, and you could argue a little bit more unique. I always get asked about how grippy a case is, and this case here is fairly good in the hand. You can see here there's these indentations on the side to help you give you better grip. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, it's one of those type of cases where you either like the design or you don't like it. So if you're a big fan of this military industrial kind of look, then it's a great case I think you'll be happy with. But if it's not, then you may want to consider something else. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a military protective slim case for your brand new iPhone XS or XS Max, you definitely can't go wrong with the Urban Armor Gear plasma case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.